Today I'm going to give you a new addition in my Unqualified Basics series, and we are going to Clarified Butter. You just need one pot. This is super easy. This is unsalted butter, but you can use salted butter if you want. Totally fine. I don't think there's any issue with that. Some people don't love it, but I'm going to make just a small amount of it, so we're going to do 2 sticks of butter here into our pan. We're going to now get this on to kind of medium heat, and the goal here is just to kind of melt this down without burning it. Give it as much surface area as possible and let it start to dissolve. I like to swirl it around a little bit as that butter starts to melt. Just keep it moving. You don't want anything sticking to the bottom and getting overly burnt at this stage. Once you start to see foam floating on the top, that means you're almost there. I like to give this just a little bit more cooking and just wait till I see some bigger bubbles popping through, just like that. And at that point, I'm going to kill the heat. You don't want to turn this into brown butter. I don't want to burn anything here, so we're going to turn that off. And now we are going to take this. I'm going to pour this into a Pyrex. You could pour it into whatever you want. And we're going to give it about 15 and 20 minutes to settle. That's basically the clarifying process. The milk solids will float to the bottom, and you will be left with pure, beautiful butter, which here we have right here. You can see there's solids on the bottom. There was a little scuzz on the top that you can just pull off with a spoon. You can see there's a little bit left there. If you have a lot, just go in and just kind of spoon it out. That's totally fine. But now to get that clarified butter, I'm going to run it through just a little bit of cheesecloth and try to only pour out that clear middle part. If you pour out the milk solids in the bottom, they may make it through, which I will show you because I do that. But getting that out now, you can see this is just pure, beautiful clarified butter. All those milk solids are left behind there in the Pyrex. Mixing it up, I do see a little bit of milk solid made it through. It's not the end of the world, but I just ran it through that cheesecloth one more time, and there you go. You're left with clarified butter. It's so easy. This will last in your fridge longer than actual butter will because you took out all the moisture and a lot of that milk fat. So this is just great to have, great to cook with, great high smoke point. Clarifying butter is so easy.